Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard sound not working on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you have used any keyboard on your iPhone and sound is not working when you're using keyboard, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys you need to click on sound and haptics. And guys, after this, first of all you need to increase your volume from here, and guys after doing this you need to scroll it below, and guys you need to click on keyboard feedback. And guys, if sound is turned off, then guys you need to turn on it, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, simply you need to go back, and guys after this you need to scroll it below. You need to turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data, and guys after doing this you need to scroll it below, click on general. And guys after doing this you need to scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to reset your keyboard dictionary. And guys after this all the problems will be fixed that you are facing on keyboard. And guys, at last maybe there is iOS update problem, so guys simply you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, if you have any kind of update here, then guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. As you can see here, I have an update that is iOS 17.2. And guys after doing update to latest version, all the problems will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.